So it was Starbucks PSL's 20th birthday yesterday, October the 10th, 2023. And if you're into that, then I'm sure you know about the varsity jackets and all the other goodies that somehow is part of this huge celebration. Well, let me show you how to make your very own iced pumpkin spice latte at home. And I'm telling you, while tasting it, while both taste incredible, and I would happily have either one, if I want to have more of that rich pumpkin flavor, I would pick mine just because of the fact that I'm using actual pumpkin in here and the fact that you can easily control so many different variables like the amount of sweetness, the amount of pumpkin, the strength of the actual coffee or the milk. It's just so easy when you're doing it yourself because you know yourself best. Well, if you all caught my last coffee video, the pumpkin cream cold brew recipe, then you know already how to make the pumpkin sauce I'm going to be using in this recipe. So to go over it very quickly, you need sugar and water. You want to heat that, then dissolve it by whisking it. And then you add in your pureed pumpkin, mix that all in, and then you add in your condensed milk, your pumpkin spice and vanilla. Let that get all mixed nicely and just steam it until it has a nice smooth consistency. And for the sauce, by the way, if you really want to go overboard and make everything by scratch, then you can check out my homemade condensed milk and my homemade pumpkin puree recipe to add to this sauce. Now, as that is on the side, let's make our coffee, and I'm making a quick strong brew with my French press. And for the coffee, I'm just making a strong brewed coffee. Now you can have a shot or two of espresso instead if you have an espresso maker, or you can make a strong coffee with the help of your French press. Now once you have that, now you basically have everything you need to assemble this drink. So to assemble it now, you want a couple tablespoons of that pumpkin sauce, and then you want to pour your coffee and fill it up halfway of the volume of your container. Now after you add your coffee, just give it a quick stir, mix all that syrup up, and you can taste it and adjust the sweetness if you want. And then add in your ice cubes and then pour in your milk, and finally you want to top it off with your whipped cream. And if you notice on the side here, I also have a version of this drink from Starbucks, and you can straight away tell that the colors are a bit different. Mine's a bit darker while theirs a bit lighter. And the reason for that is I'm using real pumpkin in the syrup, while the Starbucks version uses a clear simple syrup. So that what adds that lightness because the milk doesn't have anything darker tarnishing that color that you're seeing on the Starbucks version. Now you want to top off that cream with some of your pumpkin spice, just for garnish, of course. Now if you want more recipes like this, or if you want to stick with PSL, maybe you want to check out the hot version of my pumpkin spice latte.